Waiora has always had a special place at the heart of the local community. Formerly the Taupō Maternity Hospital, for many years Waiora has provided affordable accommodation for not-for-profit organisations in the social services sector. Unfortunately, back in 2019, the main building had to be pulled down following the discovery of friable asbestos, displacing many of the tenants and dispersing the provision of social services far and wide. Recognising the continued and growing demand for social services within our community, Council entered into a collaborative partnership with the Waiora Community Trust to rebuild and reimagine Waiora.
I think the proof of the collaboration is that from the moment the building was condemned, Council wrapped their arms around the Trust and supported us in rehousing the tenants. And I don't think there's been any pushback from Council to actually, with the thought of rebuilding the Waiora, which was a very strong direction from Council, that they believed that what we offered the community or the social providers in this town was actually needed. The whole process has been one of community, local builder, local tradesmen, having a project team from Council who understood how to manage a project and get the best results.
The new building no longer resembles a maternity hospital with its long corridors and individual rooms. We have made a conscious effort to acknowledge the history of the site and its connection to the local people and to the whenua. This has been achieved in a number of ways after seeking input from the Trust, local hapu, tenants and the general public.
Our new building has been a wonderful opportunity for the Trust to reimagine itself. Our aim is to create a home for socially focused organisations to thrive, and we've seen that happening through the interaction of organisations, the collaboration to obtain best outcomes for clients, and the social interaction that brings life to a great workplace.
At the end of the day, it's all about supporting our community and those that most at need.